Hello guys, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to this super cool, super awesome and absolutely amazing series for your grade 8, exclusively for grade 8, called The Curious Minds. Yes guys, my name is Pritesh, I'm your host, your host and a proud educator from Embibe, welcoming you to the very brand new series that I've started for grade 8, where every evening from Monday to Friday, I'll be seeing you live at 5:30 and we'll be discussing some out of the blue, very interesting topics of grade 8, that is Curious Minds. So the name of the series is Curious Minds. Hi Isha, hi Amrita. Yes, obviously I remember you. And we'll be talking about different topics which are really very interesting when it comes to grade 8. Like yesterday, yesterday we had a very interesting topic called Symbiosis, the Art of Living. Today we are talking about blood and blood transfusion. Then tomorrow we'll be talking about zombie virus. So there are so many interesting topics of bio that we'll be discussing. I just want you all to show the love, to show the support to me and to this amazing series by giving this video a big fat thumbs up, sharing this video with your friends, especially in your school WhatsApp groups. And also guys, subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. Embibe Achieve CBSE 6 to 8 is an absolutely brand new channel. It's a new channel, a new baby, which we all have to grow together with lots of love, lots of care and lots of support. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. And when I'm talking about free, absolutely free is our Embibe page where you get test, assignment, study material, question, solution, explanation to solution, books, reference books, NCRTs, any grade, any board, any language, any subject, absolutely free. So make sure that you visit the Embibe page and download the Embibe app from Google Store or Apple Store. Yes, and guys, connect with us on Telegram. Again, this is free of cost. Here you get, you can get your doubts solved, you can get the PDF of the sessions, and you also get the updates of whatever is happening on the channel. Yes, Isha, you're absolutely right. That is what we are going to explore, that what exactly is blood all about. So, when I'm talking about the topic blood and its components, I talk about what is blood, what is present in the blood, and I'll be also giving you some very interesting facts about the blood. Okay? Now, do you guys know what is erythroblastosis fetalis? Right? Erythroblastosis fetalis. What is erythroblastosis fetalis? Erythroblastosis fetalis is something which is associated to the difference in blood groups between the mother and the child in the womb. So when a woman is pregnant, when she is having a baby in her womb, if the blood group of the baby and the blood group of the mother is not matching, if they have different antigens, like say the mother is B positive and the child is B negative, that time there is a condition that occurs called erythroblastosis fetalis. And there are conditions where the mother's blood starts killing the child's blood cells. Yes guys, jitna marveling biology hai, utna hi scary bhi hai. So I want you guys to research on erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay? Then, what is the difference between myocardial infarction and heart attack? What is the difference between atherosclerosis and arteriosclerosis? All of that is, it has got to do with blood. So this is how we'll be exploring different topics, different concepts of biology, and we'll be understanding that how marvelous, how amazing and how much mind-blowing is this subject. Right? So today I've given you so much to research: erythroblastosis fetalis, myocardial infarction, then atherosclerosis and arteriosclerosis. What is cardiac arrest and what is heart attack? Do you know the difference? कि heart attack and cardiac arrest के बीच में क्या difference है? So वही तो, बायोलॉजी इतना ब्यूटीफुल है, इतना वास्ट है, इतना एनॉर्मस है कि जितना पढ़ते जाएंगे उतना मजा आता जाएगा. उसी तरह से today we'll be talking about blood and its components. So in this particular session today we'll be talking about the types of blood cells, we'll be talking about the components of blood and the functions of blood. So we begin with what exactly is blood. So blood is the only fluid connective tissue in the body. What is blood? It is the only fluid connective tissue in the body. Now, blood has got plasma, blood cells and platelets. It has got plasma, blood cells and platelets. It circulates through our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to various cells and tissues, and it is 8% of our body weight. So for example, if I am 60 kgs, 6 8 is 48. So 4.8 kgs of blood is there in my body. Approximately in an adult 5 to 6 liters of blood is present. Okay? Now, when I say that blood has got plasma as well as corpuscles, so there are two parts of the blood. One is the liquid part and one is the solid part. The liquid part is called the plasma and the solid part is called the corpuscles. How do you remember this? So imagine you have prepared tea. आपने चाय बनाई है and you strain the tea. तो जो आपके कप में है वो है प्लाज्मा और जो आपके स्ट्रेनर में है that is the corpuscles, right? When you strain the tea, जो आपके स्ट्रेनर में बच गया, the tea leaves, that is your corpuscles, and what you pour in the cup is your plasma. ठीक है? So this is a beautiful illustration of the blood where you can see that these red color ones are the RBCs. You can see they are biconcave in shape. You've got the white color ones which are your WBCs, and then you've got these yellow ones which are your platelets. Let's explore this further. So the blood has got plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. The plasma is nothing but a straw colored fluid part of the blood which has got hormones, which has got ions, which has got water, which has got amino acids and a lot more. And then the blood has got the corpuscles part which includes the RBCs called as erythrocytes, the WBC called as leukocytes and the platelets called as thrombocytes. So what are the other names of the different parts of the blood? So you've got RBCs which are called as erythrocytes, the WBCs which are called as leukocytes, and the platelets which are called as thrombocytes. WBCs का काम है ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का एक्सचेंज करना. WBCs का काम है हमारे बॉडी को फॉरेन एंटीबॉडी से बचाना. बेसिकली दे आर द सोल्जर्स ऑफ द बॉडी. एंड प्लेटलेट्स का काम है ब्लड क्लॉट करना. सो थ्रोम्बोसाइट्स आर एसोसिएटेड इन द क्लॉटिंग ऑफ द ब्लड. ठीक है? नाउ this is the blood. So you can see in our blood there is 45% RBCs, 54% plasma, and the remaining 1% is your platelets and the WBCs. You can see that there is 54% plasma, which is the fluid. Now what does the plasma contain? So if you talk about the composition of the plasma, you have got water, ions, amino acids, hormones, etc. ठीक है? Platelets which are involved in your blood clotting and the WBCs which are the soldiers, whereas your RBCs are associated with oxygen and carbon dioxide का exchange. So they are 45, 54 and 1%. क्लियर है यहां तक ब्लड का कॉम्पोजिशन? इज इट क्लियर? इज द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ ब्लड क्लियर टिल हियर? बिल्कुल क्लियर है हमें कि हमारे ब्लड में 54% प्लाज्मा है, 45% आरबीसीज है एंड 1% वी हैव प्लेटलेट्स एंड द डब्ल्यूबीसीज. नाउ I move ahead and I have a question for you. The question is, drag and drop the labels of the blood cells to the cell which represents it. We have got platelet, RBC and WBC. You tell me the order what I should put where. Just tell me the order and I'll put it and we'll see how it works. The hint is, remember the color of the red blood cell. See, it's so easy. Okay, Isha has told that the first one is RBC. Okay. What about the second one? Second is WBC. Yes, Amrita. Yes, Isha. And the third one obviously becomes platelet. ठीक है? Absolutely correct. Very good. Absolutely nice. ठीक है? चलिए. Now, we move ahead and we talk about the types of blood cells. So you've got RBCs, WBCs and platelets. WBCs have agranulocytes and granulocytes. Agranulocytes means the ones who have a very plain cytoplasm. So what do you mean by agranulocytes? Agranulocytes, their cytoplasm is not granular. They have a clear cytoplasm. And granulocytes means they have a granular cytoplasm. ठीक है. Hi Sunidhi, welcome to the session. So the RBCs are called erythrocytes, which are red blood cells. इनके क्या क्या functions हैं? तो अगर हम इनके functions को देखेंगे, so they are basically biconcave in shape. ठीक है. Mature RBCs do not have a nucleus, they do not have a mitochondria, they have lost their cell organelles so that they can make more space and take oxygen. They have got something called as a hemoglobin. Now hemoglobin के बारे में हमें क्या पता है कि hemoglobin is something which has got hema part and globulin part. Hema part is made of iron and globulin part is made of protein. And they are involved in the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. ठीक है? Okay, now Sunidhi, just 1 hour back I did a session on the Embibe Achieve 9th and 10th channel on microorganisms friend and foe. Please watch it. Please watch it. ठीक है? Then when we talk about leukocytes और WBCs, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है granulocytes जिसमें हमारे पास है lymphocytes, monocytes and we have got granulocytes जिसमें है eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. Eosinophils can also be called as acidophils. ठीक है. एंड प्लेटलेट्स या थ्रोम्बोसाइट्स का काम क्या है? ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. when you will go in grade 9 you will learn more about the types of lymphocytes. तो lymphocytes में भी हमारे पास है T lymphocytes. They are all associated with immunity of the body because WBCs का मेन काम ही है कि diseases से हमें बचाना, foreign bodies से हमें बचाना. Got it? Sunidhi, Isha, Amrita, are you with me? Are you with me on this? Cell structure and function will do it next week. पक्का अमृता. ठीक है. चलिए अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं and we talk in detail about erythrocytes. So they are biconcave without a nucleus. They are known as erythrocytes. They contain iron protein rich compound called hemoglobin. They are most abundant blood cells. They are 45% and they are produced in the bone marrow, destroyed in the spleen. अभी यहाँ पर मैं आपको कुछ additional information देता हूँ. RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. They are produced in the bone marrow, destroyed in the spleen. Destroyed in the spleen. So spleen is called as the graveyard. It is called as the graveyard of RBCs. Spleen is called as the graveyard of the RBCs. Do you know what is the lifespan of RBCs? Do you know what is the lifespan of RBC? Anybody? Can anybody tell me the lifespan of RBC? How many days RBCs live in our blood? Definitely Sunidhi, next week, that's what I'm telling you. Next week हम लोग cell structure कर लेंगे. ठीक है? Can you tell me what is the lifespan of RBC? Anybody? It is 120 days. It is 120 days. कितनी है उसकी lifespan? It is 120 days. ठीक है? 120 days बाद RBCs हमारे स्प्लीन में जाके मर जाते हैं. You can see this is an RBC. It is a biconcave shape. इनका शेप बाइकॉनकेव इसलिए है ताकि ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन एकोमोडेट कर सके. ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन एकोमोडेट कर सके. नो गौरव, नो सुनिधि, द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज द मेल स्पर्म सेल. द ह्यूमन मेल स्पर्म सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी. ठीक है. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू your question. So if the hemoglobin protein were blue, then the resulting oxygen transport cell in the blood would look like this, this or this. कैसा दिखता आप बताइए. Hi Shreya, just tell me, I will click on the correct picture, A, B या C. If the protein was blue, how would the RBC look like? Okay, Isha says, Amrita also says second one. What about Shreya? Shreya, no, tell me A, B or C. A, B or C. Blue तो ये दोनों भी blue हैं इसलिए. What about Sunidhi? Okay, everybody is saying B. Let's see. It is absolutely correct. Very good guys, very good Sunidhi, very good Shreya, very good Isha, very good Amrita, है ना? So that is correct. They are colorless because they are not having hemoglobin. Further, if it is blue, then they will look like what you guys selected. ठीक है? Now, further we move to granulocytes. So granulocytes are again types of leukocytes. They are leukocytes with the presence of granules in their cytoplasm. The granule cells include eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. They are nothing but acidophils, basophils and neutrophils. ठीक है. Now, अगर हम acidophils का function देखें तो they are responsible for combating infections in parasites of vertebrates and controlling mechanisms associated with allergy and asthma. So if anybody is having any kind of allergies or any kind of asthma, then the granulocytes are in function. अगर हम basophils की बात करें, so they have very big cytoplasmic granules. Again, they have a big nucleus and they again deal with releasing histamine and dilating the blood vessels. Any kind of allergic reaction. जब allergic reaction होती है तो क्या होती है? Skin red हो जाती है, rashes आते हैं. That is all because of histamine. And dilating blood vessels. The least common of the granulocytes ranging from 0.5 to 1%, they secrete serotonin, histamine and heparin. So whenever you have any kind of rashes on the body, whenever you have any kind of redness on the body, it is because of histamine and heparin. Please remember this. Whenever you have any kind of allergy in the body, it is because of histamine and heparin. Then, very interesting question for you. The question is, identify the shape of the white blood cells. They are round shape, convex shape, no definite shape, oval shape or concave shape. What is the shape of the white blood cells? आपके leukocytes या WBCs का shape क्या है? What do you think is the answer? Round, convex, no definite, oval or concave? Okay, so Amrita is saying it is round. Shreya is saying it is no definite. Isha is saying it is round. What about Sunidhi? Sunidhi, what do you think? So we have got 2 A's and 1 C. Come on, quick, very quick. I'll just give you 10 more seconds. Okay, Isha is also saying C. So now we have got 2 C's and 1 A. Okay, so 10 seconds are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going with 2 girls who are saying no definite shape, which is absolutely correct. Please remember, WBC's का shape amoeboid shape है. It is an amoeboid shape, no shape at all. The reason being that they have to travel to different parts of the body, killing the germs. You know, आपने वो game तो खेली होगी, Call of Duty. तो कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी या फिर वो एक दूसरी भी फ्री फायर एक गेम है, और भी एक गेम हुई थी जिसके पीछे सब पागल हो गए थे. आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल द नेम, बट उसमें क्या है, यू हैव टू गो अराउंड किलिंग द एनिमीज. तो WBCs का भी काम ये है कि दे हैव टू गो अराउंड किलिंग द एनिमीज, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे डू नॉट हैव अ स्पेसिफिक शेप. No problem, Amrita. See, in biology, you have to remember these things based on their location, structure and function. तो आपको मैंने स्ट्रक्चर पूछा. स्ट्रक्चर आपको कैसे याद रखना है? उनके लोकेशन एंड फंक्शन को ध्यान में रख के. तो आरबीसी का फंक्शन क्या है? इधर उधर जाके फॉरेन बॉडीज को मार देना. तो दैट इज व्हाई दे नीड एन अमीबाइड शेप. ठीक है, चलो we move ahead and we talk about neutrophils. 60 to 65% they have 2 to 5 lobe nucleus. You can see इनके जो न्यूक्लियस है इसमें लोब्स हैं. They have a multi-lobe nucleus. They help in help in the destruction of bacteria with lysosome, and it acts as a strong oxidant. They are first cells of the immune system to respond. जब भी हमारे बॉडी में कोई भी बैक्टीरिया या वायरस आता है तो सबसे पहले न्यूट्रोफिल्स उसको अटैक करेंगे. उनका लाइफ स्पैन हमारे बॉडी में सिर्फ 8 आवर्स है, एंड दे आर प्रोड्यूस्ड एवरी डे इन द बोन मैरो. ठीक है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. When we talk about agranulocytes, they have a very plain nucleus. Then we have got lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes are bilobed. Their functions are to migrate into tissues and clean the dead cells, protect our blood-borne pathogens, and they have a single bean-shaped nucleus. And when we talk about lymphocytes, they have a very important role in producing antibodies. मैंने आपको बोला था ना कि lymphocytes का सबसे important काम है to deal with immunity. So they produce antibodies against antigens in our body. ठीक है, they play an important role in the body defense. Hence they are referred as lymphocytes. There are two main types of lymphocytes, B and T. They are very important in the immune system. आपके grade 9 में एक chapter है. There is a chapter in your grade 9 called Why Do We Fall Ill, and in that chapter you will learn in detail about B and T lymphocytes. But remember, they are to do with your immune system and they produce antibodies against antigens in your body. Got it? चलिए, last but not the least है हमारे platelets या thrombocytes. इनका काम है हमारे बॉडी में ब्लड क्लॉट करना ताकि ब्लड लॉस ना हो. Now a vitamin that helps in producing antibodies is vitamin K. तो आपका vitamin K is very essential to produce thrombocytes in the body. ईशा, एंटीबॉडीज यानी कि हमारे सोल्जर्स, हमारे बॉडी के सोल्जर्स को हम बोलते हैं एंटीबॉडी, और जो बाहर से आता है जिसको हमें मार देना है वो है एंटीजेन. अब आप याद कैसे रखोगे ईशा? तो याद रखो, जेन यानी जर्म, एंटीजेन इज जर्म्स, एंटीजेन जर्म्स, एंटीजेन जर्म्स. तो जो बाहर से आ रहा है, जो अभी बाहर से आए हैं, वो है जर्म्स यानी कि एंटीजेन, और उनको हम मारेंगे विथ एंटीबॉडी यानी कि हमारे बॉडी के सोल्जर्स. ठीक है, तो प्लेटलेट्स कम इनटू प्ले व्हेन देयर इज अ ब्लीडिंग और हैमरेज. हैमरेज यानी कि ब्लड लॉस. यू नो किसको ब्रेन हैमरेज होता है, यानी ब्रेन में ब्लड लॉस. हैमरेज यानी कि ब्लड लॉस. दे हेल्प इन द क्लॉटिंग एंड कोएगुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड, एंड जब भी हमारे बॉडी में कोई कट हो या ब्लड लॉस होना शुरू हो तो प्लेटलेट्स वहां पर आके ब्लड के लॉस को रोक देते हैं. लेकिन अगर कट माइनर होगा, तो अगर बहुत डीप कट होगा तो ऑब्वियसली डॉक्टर के पास जाके स्टिचेस लेने पड़ेंगे. क्लियर? चलिए, तो हमने देखा, अब है हमारा आखिरी प्लाज्मा, यानी कि हमारे कप में जो चाय है वो है प्लाज्मा. जो आपके स्ट्रेनर में है वो थे कॉर्पस्कल्स. पैथोजेंस यानी जर्म, श्रेया, पैथोजेंस यानी जर्म्स. बट पैथोजेंस यानी कि हम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो डिजीज कॉज करते हैं उनको हम बोलेंगे पैथोजेंस, उनको हम एंटीजन नहीं बोल सकते. तो बायोलॉजी में ना बहुत ही फाइन लाइन है. ठीक है, सो पैथोजेंस आर द डिजीज कॉजिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, एंटीजेंस आर द फॉरेन बॉडीज दैट कैन एंटर आवर बॉडी. अब एक डस्ट पार्टिकल को भी मैं एंटीजन बोल सकता हूं, ठीक है, राइट, लेकिन एक डस्ट पार्टिकल को मैं पैथोजन नहीं बोल सकता. करेक्ट? यस ईशा, थैंक यू. सो plasma is 55%, it is pale yellow in color, and it consists of salts, nutrients, water and enzymes. It also contains important proteins to maintain the overall health like globulin, serum, albumin, fibrinogen, etc. Got it? So with this we come to the functions of the blood. So the functions of the blood include the function of everything. It includes the function of the plasma, of the RBC, WBC, platelets, everything. So blood का function है ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करना, न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड हार्मोन्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना, वेस्ट को बॉडी में से निकालना, बॉडी का टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रखना. ठीक है, रिमूव द वेस्ट एंड प्रोटेक्ट द बॉडी फ्रॉम पैथोजेंस. गॉट इट? तो today we learnt about blood and its components in 25 minutes. It was a very interesting, very effective and a very interactive session. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, share this video with your friends and school WhatsApp groups, and subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. Also guys, as I told you, every day I'm going to come live at 5:30 on this channel. So tell me in the comment section कि आपको कौन से bio के interesting concepts सीखने हैं. So tell me in the comment section and I'll bring those session for you. ठीक है, so visit the Embibe page, again free of cost, beautiful interactive learning, and connect with us on Telegram. And until we meet next guys, this is Pritesh, your host, your host and a proud educator from Embibe, signing off for now. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and do not forget to keep imbibing because we believe in you.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.